Ready? So the way the van is now, we can see all the stages. So for example, we can see this, the sound deadening here, which is the first layer we put. Then you can see the sheep wool, which is the second layer we put. Then in here you can see the vapor barrier. That's the third layer we just put. And then in here you can see the first wall. And something that's helping a lot with the insulation from the very first part with the sound deadening is this, roll here to help to insulate and then just glue all the things together, especially when we make a mistake there, that we had to redo that because there was no plastic and all. At the moment we're figuring out how we're gonna put the shelves up here. So this is gonna be like a big wall. This is the height of the bed. The bed's gonna be here, so we're gonna have some shelves here. Once the bed ends here, we're gonna have like a full length kind of a wardrobe just to put some hangers, you know, like coats. And then the kitchen part comes here and up there out of the van. That's the bed. Then we have to calculate the mattress, which is 20 centimeters. Then some free space for our feet, and then the remaining could be the cupboards, so we have more storage space. So I got some of them ready already. We're gonna do more because we're gonna try to use all these pallets to build the stuff now. So let's get to work. What you're gonna do now?
Finish this wall.
So you're gonna put the vent now? So what's the story? What's gonna happen?
Read the instructions first. We're going to install the extract fan. So mark the center of the van. Make sure we have clearance between the two beams. Mark the hole. Double check everything. Triple check everything. Cut the hole. And then we will have to, on the roof, this is a valley. So we'll have to cut pieces of wood and fix those in, make sure they're watertight. So this is all flush at the top, and then we'll set the exterior of the fan in, screw it to the wood from the outside.
Sealant later?
Oh no, sealant first. Yeah, make sure it's all waterproof. Sealant.
So far we have this and that. Which one is gonna go first? Cleo! Cleo! Which one's gonna go first?
The top one.
That one.
So if we had a cat at center of the van, the edges were right on where this sets down. So when we fixed it up, it would have been not secure. The edges would have been flapping.
We're gonna cut the roof.
Gonna cut the roof.
Where? Show us.
Here.
So the wood you're gonna cut is gonna be exactly the size of the vent, or a bit bigger?
No, it's going to be size of the lip. So these holes here are going to screw through the roof and into this on the inside.
Okay.
So the frame needs to be square. This So the hole is this size. So from the edge of this, so that's the hole. That's 390 from here.
Okay.
From here to here.
That's the hole that's gonna go on the roof. Right. So tell me.
4 holes. Let's hope we have it right.
So you're gonna cut them. You're gonna cut them all now.
I'm gonna cut it out, yeah.
The square off.
So remember, safety first, safety last. Now watch me as I make up balls of this.
Go. We were really lucky to find this cordless jigsaw without paying a lot, because without it, it would be really hard to cut through the fiberglass.
We might need to put my hand to this.
Look at that! Look at that!
So, do you wanna hold it while I do the last cut? No.
What? There is a hole in the van, David. He put sealant in the wood, and this one was going underneath. So what do you think is gonna fit perfectly?
Yeah, walking back on up. It's not even.
Yeah, no, that's perfect.
There's no movement in that.
So you're gonna put these 2 pieces of wood.
After I cut the hole in the roof, I cleaned the area around it. Then I put silicone sealant down, and on top of the silicone sealant I put a timber frame to level off in between the grooves. There's timber above and below the hole, and I screwed the both of them together through the roof. After the frame was fixed, I put another layer of silicone seal and then dropped the fan in. When the fan was in place, I screwed it down to the framework.
And while he was doing this, I enjoyed taking pictures and praying for no broken legs.
When the fan was securely fixed, I sealed around the edges with the Sikaflex.
It was a sunny day, and then after that, the only thing we needed to do is to wait for a rainy day and check if it all had worked out. And that's it for today, guys. Make sure you subscribe to our playlist if you're enjoying these videos. As always, give us a thumbs up. This is gonna help a lot, and I'll see you on the next video.